We're doing a video inspection at a clean out located in the parking lot by a grease interceptor. Right in the rear door for Hiccups. We're gonna push our camera down as far as possible. Check condition.
The day prior to this, we were out here to clear this line. We left it draining. Came back the next day today, and water's beginning to back up again, meaning the pipe needs to be repaired near the change of direction clean out of possible broken pipe there. We were unable to get past 46 feet.
This will be the end of our video.